So today I'm going to show you all how to make a super summery Chinese veggie dish. And it's a Sichuanese kind of stir-fried, spicy and sour potato. And it's just really lightly cooked strips of potato. And it's flavored so well with kind of all of these spices and these ingredients. And best of all with this one, it is usually fried in a ton of oil. And it's just not cool for summer. It's so much better this way. So I hope you guys all enjoy. I'm starting off with one pretty large potato. Do you guys actually like voiceovers, or do you prefer to have captions underneath? Sometimes as I'm talking. So I bathe them in water, and then I add a little bit of vinegar to them. And the vinegar is supposed to hold the color, but it also kind of I'm told, keeps the potatoes crunchy. So while they are bathing in that acidic bath, semi-acidic bath, I'm going to prepare the rest of the flavoring agents. So the recipe is going to be down below. So garlic, some scallions. I have, Sichuan peppercorn, soy sauce, Changking vinegar. And then these are some chilies that I will de-seed and I just kind of crunch them up. And you need about 3 of them depending on how hot you like this dish. So here's the brilliance of this dish. I do not use oil for this土豆丝because, when I've had it before, the flavors are great, but it's an absolute oil slick in your mouth. And it's like a horrible summer dish for that reason. So I start by just toasting up the peppercorns, the garlic, the chilies for about 2 minutes or so over medium heat first. And that way it gets kind of the oils going, it gets the flavors going. And then I put in right around a half a cup of water. And right now the water is just taking out all of the flavors of those ingredients. A carrot went in simply for color for about a minute until they soften. And then in go my potatoes. This is such a quick dish. And I think the worry is like, oh, you're cooking potatoes really quickly in just some water. It'll get really soft really quickly. The oil is going to keep it crunchy. And that is just not the case. At the end, I was so surprised at just still like how crunchy and fresh everything tasted. So after about a minute on the stove, I just put in the rest of the flavoring ingredients, and voila, boom, you're done. Typically what I'll tell you at the end is to make sure you taste your food. Do you need to add more salt, more sugar? Do you want more vinegar? It needs to be to your liking. And again, this dish, like we cooked it like maximum 3 minutes. You want the potatoes to be kind of like crunchy vegetables, to treat it that way. It can't be mushy, it can't be soft. So really like a minute and a half, and it's all good to go. Oh boy, those guys look good and they are so refreshing. You're also seeing the newest member to my pottery family. Pretty bowls. Yeah, everything is crunchy, everything is light, everything is fresh. And this goes really well over noodles, over a bowl of rice, as usual. But just like you can also treat it just like a salad. It's more like a potato, like a fresh potato salad, where it's just crunchy and spicy and sour and just really full of flavor. I say this every time and I mean it every time, but I hope you guys have all enjoyed this recipe. And as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you guys all again next time. Bye.